May riot sila ni Beatrice kahapon. It was yesterday. May riot. Kwento ko sa inyo yung riot. So, siguro, itong tatlo na to, si Beatrice, yung kaklase niyang Indian, at saka yung Chinese, napuno na. It's too much for them. Tapos, nung dumating yung tatlo, parang talagang isa, dalawa, tatlo, attack. Parang ganun talagang nangyayari. In the end, lessons learned. Don't mess up with the kids na quiet. Kasi quiet yung tatlong yun eh. Naglalaro lang yun. During mealtime, that's why it's very important for a family to eat together. Kasi doon nyo yun na di-discuss yung mga happening sa buhay. Ang dami na namang damo-damo. Tanggalin natin yan sa susunod. Go inside yan. Put your seat belt. Okay, thank you. You're done? Okay. Malinis yung sasakyan. The car is clean because I get upset to my husband yesterday. So he vacuumed. You know how many hours he vacuumed yesterday? 1 hour he vacuumed yesterday. Yeah, as I'm saying, 1 hour he vacuumed. Wala tayong teeth, guys. I still need to wait 3 weeks, not 3 weeks, 3 weeks after next week, or I don't know how long. Kasi, where's my... It's here. So, wala tayong teeth, guys. Dahil, we have to wait mga 3 weeks pa. Before, after next week, 3 weeks after next week, before malagyan natin to ng ngipin. Kasi kailangan mag-heal muna. Tinahi yung ko, diba? Kaya po. Tabigin pa yung ilong ko. Mukhang hindi na mababalik yung ilong ko, ha. May kwento ako mamaya sa inyo. Uy. Uy.
Nieuwe dan nooit.
Okay. Ay. This bus is always annoying here.
Tu sabes conduzir com és o número 1. This, you know, you can't wait there for the people pass. No, you go.
Ay. So ganyan, yung bus na naman 42, we met up here. So medyo late kami, late din sila. Paglabas ko ng car, nagmamask po ako. Pero hindi naman tayo kahiya ng ating anak. I don't want that Beatrice will be ashamed of me. So I need to mask. So ito pa lang atong natin. Malamig actually today, 12 degrees outside, pero akala mo nakadress lang ako. I have warmer as usual. So I will show you the warmer. Itong warmer ko, binibili ko to sa Chinese. Kasi ang China, di ba, cold countries. So maganda talaga yung warmer nila. So yun, dinignan nyo yung warmer. Makapal yan. At saka, maganda talaga siya. Fluffy. Tapos yun, binibili ko yan sa Chinese store. Maganda talaga yung nila pang colds. Kahit yung pang bahay na pants na pang colds. Maganda talaga. So ito, this scarf, galing to Pilipinas. Korea, Philippines. I don't know where did my sister bought me the younger sister of mine, of ours. I don't know. Maybe he bought in Korea or in Philippines. Kaya palagi ako tumitingin sa gilid, guys, because of the side mirror. Tumitingin ako sa side mirror ng nasa likod na nasasakyan. How she, look how she push us, so near. And she get back off. See? Now I can see her plate. Now she's making away. Crazy.
Making crazy too. And now she's coming again.
What is that?
Every day something new. Even on the days that you try.
This is why so many accidents here happen in Portugal. Because how they push, look. How near they are. I cannot even see the license plate. Because the distance, guys, the distance of a safe distance between two cars, you should see the license plate.
It's
That's the minimum.
in Europe, I don't know. But in US it's the same. I think in US it's the same.
Look how she push her.
I'm not slowing down. Huh? I'm not slowing down. 50 is 50.
Ah. Because I'm vlogging. And then I'm making video of that idiot there at the back.
You know, every time I promise Mama I will not get upset with the people, then I get people like that. And she has kids in the car, you know.
Let her pass, Papa eh. So annoying already. That girl, oh, that is the one.
The book. The bench.
He is okay.
Crazy.
But
How she push it. Look how she fly. For
if I only go
sure.
here to the school here on the corner. It's not only at home where the people in.
Yan ang mahirap dito sa Portugal I'm not generalized. The people here are so in a hurry. You have to get up early, guys. So since you don't have of mode of transport here, you use your car. And then actually, I checked last time. But I will tell you, the convenience of transport here in Portugal is difficult. I can tell.
Yeah.
Because in Philippines, when you want to go some places, anytime, you can go without using your cars. Pakita ko sa inyo kung saan pala nasagasaan yung nasagasaan yung dito. Dito na pedestrian. Dito po na pedestrian na may nasagasaan last time.
What the amazing.
Diyan na pedestrian Yan, diyan na pedestrian.
Jeff. It's a jeep.
May may nasagasaan doon. Kaya kayo pag nag-cross kayo sa pedestrian, be careful in crossing. So guys, almost na sa school ni Beatrice. Yeah, off na guys. See you later. May kwento ako sa inyo more later, okay? More kwento. Because
There's a water.
ang chaos, may riot sila ni Beatrice kahapon. It was yesterday. May riot. Kwento ko sa inyo yung riot.
Where's the lion?
Fold and fold.
Yeah. Yan. So guys, ito po yung niluto natin. Ito yung lunch natin for today. Yan. Alam niyo to, lahat-lahat na available sa kusina. Nilagay ko. My corn. These are raisins. Malalaki at saka maliliit. Potato and carrots. Yan. Yung giniling. Beef giniling. And then with boiled egg. So, ayan. Ito yung drinks. Ito yung drinks sasawa natin. That is 100% tangerine. And mine is mais con hielo. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang minom ng mais con hielo and rice. So, ganyan yung lunch natin for today. Let's eat na, my love. May ambulance, guys. Ang inaano kasi namin dito, once may ambulance kami naririnig, tumatawag yung asawa ko sa kanila kasi nag-worry nga yung parents niya, baka siya ba yung emergency. So, thanks to God, hindi naman. So, yun. Meron tayo dito, pinadala. Naki-indos yan. Lagay natin yan sa loob kasi malamig today. Dapat, ano ko yung fireplace, i-turn on ko kaso biglang uminit. So, I don't know, wala pa rin akong ipon guys. 3 weeks, 4 weeks pa. Bago malagyan yan para magiging, ano ba yung gums, hindi na yung masasag yung ilalagay dyan. So, let's wait for that pa. Anyway, yeah, ilagay natin dito. Actually, yung fireplace namin always ready naman yan. Dito, may nakalagay na mga wood dyan, just in case na malamig, may sisindihan tayo. At saka, aside sa labas, meron na kaming wood na nakastore din dito. Ito pala yung starter na ginagamit namin, guys. This is still from last year. Yung paubos na. Yung mga isa-dalawa lang yung magagamit mo once meron kang pine cones at saka yung mga maliliit na sanga. Ayan, medyo madami-dami naman yung ano natin, yung kahoy natin. Ayan. Good for 2 days na yan. Yung ganyang amount. Meron pa kami doon sa labas. So, pwede na. So, later, pag medyo malamig, ito na lang natin yung fireplace. Diba? Mahirap nang hindi ka ready. Ikwento ko sa inyo. Yung nangyaring riot sa school ni Beatrice. Mamaya, mag-base muna ako. Hi guys. Look at us. Naka-mask. Kasi nga, palis kami para mag-vlog tayo. Tinakpan ko yung mukha ko para hindi ako conscious sa aking mukha. Anyway, that's why I'm wearing this because wala pang akong ipin. So, pag lumabas ako papuntang school. So, about the riot, guys. Riot. Good kids versus bad kids. Yung riot nila. Tinanong ko kasi si Beatrice, she just told us without just like, normal ba, no? Normal story, telling story to her parents. Tapos sabi niya, nag-ano nga daw, parang, what is her term? Miss not right because she don't know the word riot eh. What is her term, Papa? No? Fight. She say, her classmates fight. Actually, tayo guys, kasi si Beatrice, Chinese friend, the Indian friend, and the, how you call that, the Ukrainian, twins of the Ukrainians, they are good friends. Tapos, meron silang tatlong kaklase. Yung tatlo talaga yun. Ano talaga yun, guys? Yung hard-headed ba sa klase. Sila yung kung masabi nating, sa klase yung hindi nakikinig, palaging pasaway, palaging nang-aapi ng mga kaklase, yung ganun ba, palaging nang bubuli, yung ganun. So, siguro, itong tatlo na to, si Beatrice, yung kaklase niyang Indian, at saka yung Chinese, napuno na. It's too much for them. Kasi simula pa nung grade 1, ganun talaga, guys. Next time, ikwento ko sa inyo yung mga naranasan ni Beatrice, lalo na yung sa babae. Kasi isang babae, dalawang lalaki, yung nambubuli kay Beatrice last time, yung grade 1. So, yun. Nung sabi ni Beatrice, kahapon, that was yesterday only? Yesterday, ng morning daw. Parang, pinlano daw talaga nila yon. So, yung tatlo yon, isang babae, dalawang lalaki. Yung isang babae is Sigana. And then, the isang lalaki is from Africa. So, he's from Guinea. Nandun yung isang lalaki, taga dito, yung Portuguese. Tapos, basta maraming funny moments yung mga tatlong pasaway na yon. Not funny moments, irritating moments actually. Kasi nga, palagi nilang binubuli yung makaklase nila. Pero meron pa rin yung mga kwento doon last year na grabe talaga naranasan ni Beatrice doon sa tatlong yon. So anyway, yon. Nung break time daw, nung umaga, nandun sila sa may playground. Tapos nung dumating yung tatlo, parang talagang isa, dalawa, tatlo attack. Parang ganun talaga nangyayari. So yung yung kaklase ni Beatrice na Chinese, inano niya, parang kinarate niya. Marunong magkarate rin kasi nakikita namin yun minsan dito sa front. The way she split, hindi yung pang split na belly dancer eh. Split talaga na pang karate, no, Papa, no? So yun, kinarate niya yung lalaki. Tapos, si Beatrice din, nagsipa. Pero si Beatrice, wise. Pagkatapos after she kicked the other kid, she ran away. So, hindi siya natamaan. And then, the other kid also, kinarate din yung Indian, at saka yung Chinese, kinarate nila yung marunong yata kumagkarate yung dalawa. So, yun. Tapos, dahil nakita ng ibang section ng B, may tumulong sa kanila, tinulungan din kasi naiinis nila, they don't like that kids too. So, ang ginawa, tinulungan nila na binubugbog yung isang lalaki. Tapos, after that, may dumating pa na rescue from higher grades, grade 4. Yung higher grades na yun, mga friends yun ni Beatrice. Kasi, they are all talking English, yung apat na yun. Yung iba yata came from UK, hindi ko sure sa iba. Pero yung iba, English talking, kaya naging friends ni Beatrice yun. So yun, nag-rescue sa kanila ni Beatrice. Pinagtutulungan yung tatlong batang nambubuli. Tapos yun, in the end, umiyak yung tatlo. Yung isang babae na Sigana, yung Guinea, at saka yung isang bully na lalaki na Portuguese. Si Beatrice ng beses nakaiyak yan sa lalaki na yun eh. So yun, in the end, lessons learned, don't mess up with the kids na quiet. Kasi quiet yung tatlong yun eh, naglalaro lang yun. Basta they are just simple 3 girls just playing around. Pero, don't mess up kasi siguro for them it's too much na. So, they want to fight. Sabi ko nga, why did you fight? We want to fight bad kids. Yun ang sabi ni Beatrice. So, yon, lessons learned na sana yon sa tatlo na no matter nambubuli sila, in the end, they are still the one crying. So in conclusion, pinatawag yung parents ng 5, except sa parents si Beatrice. Kasi, a day before, binalaanan ng asawa ko, kasi yung may pag-meeting, last video ko, sabi ko makipag-meeting yung asawa ko sa teacher niya. Pinalaanan ni Pedro, yung teacher na, that, what did you say to them? There are kids.
Yeah, kids that are not really happy.
That they are not.
Others are being bullied.
So, there are kids daw na don't like each other. Yun yung sabi niya. So, sabi ng teacher, it's not true daw. So, yun, nakita niya na. Hindi siya kasi naniwala. So, now, nakita niya na yung tatlo talaga, nag-away-away. So, yung pinapunta yung mga kaklase, yung 5 sila. Pang-anim sana kami. Pang-anim sana kami. Hindi naman kami na proud, pero we are just glad that Beatrice did it to make lessons to the bully kids.
Because they will not be stopped now when they're going to stop.
Yes.
Yeah.
Diba? And then, now maybe they realize na kahit they are just quiet kids, pero they should not mess up. Kasi si Beatrice, ang daming friends ni Beatrice. Sobrang daming friends ni Beatrice. She know how to go along with other kids. Sobrang daming friends ni Beatrice. So yan, lessons learned na yan ha, sa mga mambubuli ng mga bata dyan. Huwag masyado. Kasi pag tinulong-tulungan kayo, if all those good kids go along together, wala talaga. Mahihirapan at mahihirapan din talaga kayo. So yan. Yeah, ganyan yung riot sa araw. So we will ask later, Beatrice, what's the update? Kung kumusta naman kaya?
Parents there when they arrive.
Yeah.
Their faces.
Pinatawag.
It's not raining or something, so.
Ha?
It's not raining or something, so.
Yeah. Magandang, medyo malamig lang guys. 18 degrees outside.
Yeah.
Up, down. It's warm when you are under the sun, but when you are in the shadow, sobrang lamig kasi yung wind nga, pa-winter na talaga. So, ayan. So, yeah, that's for the riot story. The susunod, I will tell you about that, how Beatrice suffered from those bully kids last year from grade 1. Grabe, ilang beses na kami nag-principal. How many times we went to the rector.
Principal?
Yes. Para makipag-usap. Ilang beses namin nireklamo yung mga ano na yan. Isa-isahin natin yan kung anong ginawa ng tatlo yan kay Beatrice para malaman nyo talaga. So, kung nakikita, if you see in my video that I'm talking about always about kids, that you should always talk to them, it's related with that matter po. That you should always talk to your kids because whatever may happen to them in school, you will not know until really na dinidig nyo talaga. Kasi kami ni Beatrice, it's a normal conversation for us. Every night, during mealtime, that's why it's very important for a family to eat together. Kasi doon nyo yun na didiscuss yung mga happening sa buhay. And then, one thing, before you sleep, you have to talk to your children too. Kami ni Beatrice, meron talaga kaming session dalawa that we talk before she sleep. Talagang nag-uusap talaga kami nun. So, those are sometimes something more that, sometimes that she don't want that her father will hear it. Sa akin nga sinasabi, yung ganyan, yung session namin na ganyan. So, ayan, we are still early, that's why nag-vlog ako. But those things happened naman sa mga bata, and I hope na wala nang mangyayari and they learn their lessons na. What happened with your classmates? The one that you fight with, the fighting yesterday. What?
When they arrive at school, they go to the principal.
Oh, really?
And make the work there.
Oh, really?
Ayana! Auntie
They don't hear you. Yeah, that's her friend actually. So they were in the principal's office. Did you study there? So did your teacher talk to you about that? Did your teacher ask you something about that?
Ayana and
Did your teacher talk to you about that? About yesterday?
Yeah.
Did she ask you something?
No.
So how's your day today?
Today we can play the game that I set it up.
Mm-hmm.
I already make it.
Really? So today is good day? It's not too hot in your clothes is not too hot? No. Sige na, Beatrice is here. So bye-bye na.
Bye.
Smile.
But where is Papa?